Okay, moving on. The Heart of Texas Homeless Coalition hosted a one-stop shop for resources for the homeless and people facing housing instability this morning, addressing needs from housing all the way through healthcare.
Well, 6 News reporter Mike Rogers was at this event for us and joins us now live in the studio with more on the story. Mike, what resources are there available to connect the folks with?
Yeah, Chris and Lindsay, from taking the first steps towards securing affordable housing to food, clothes, and a haircut, the Heart of Texas Homeless Coalition was able to help around 100 of the homeless throughout the day today, building those connections for what they hope are long-term relationships of care. Tables line the halls and circle the rooms of the Waco Convention Center for the Heart of Texas Homeless Coalition Project Homeless Connect event.
There's a lot of people that deserve this because they're really needing, and the resources that we have are very limited.
Demarius Carter has been homeless living in Waco for the past 4 years. At the event, getting himself all the essentials: gloves, food, a haircut, and connecting with city services.
It's very dangerous out here, and a lot of stuff that go on in Waco that, a lot of people don't see because, we need the help.
The one-stop shop bringing in resources from around the community like the Salvation Army, Mission Waco, and more.
We're able to find out what are the actual needs of the people we're serving and bring those services here.
Texas Behavioral Health Network Director of Housing and Homeless Services, Nicole Wiscombe, says they even provide specialty services for youths and young adults, veterans, and their furry friends.
They can actually walk that person through and introduce them, do warm handoffs to different agencies like pantries and places where they can get clothing and emergency shelter.
The coalition also completing their annual count of the homeless population in Waco, in the past year identifying 242 individuals. Point-in-time data they send to the Department of Housing and Urban Development for further assistance. For Carter, the help is appreciated.
And we need it very, very badly. In these times, in these day and age, and these elements, it's very helpful.
Now, for those interested in becoming a part of the Heart of Texas Homeless Coalition, you can reach out via phone or go to theheartoftexashomeless.org to donate. Chris and Lindsay.
Yeah, very, very important. And I know you said they do this more than once a year, but this was the first time this year. And with it cold outside, it was so important. Thanks, Mike.
Moving on.